Dear internet marketers, are you still grappling to make heaps of money from your online business? Then, you are just at the right place. Here's something that will take your breath away. The one and only disparity between a top successful marketer and a struggling novice is a powerful and top converting product. Regardless of how experienced you are, a hot product is the gateway to your online success. Days are gone when petty, poorly written ebooks were a charm. So if you try your hands there now, you will fail. And absolutely, sink in. Another crucial aspect is that, if your products don't stand out from others, you will lag behind in this fast-paced competition. Hence, you need something that is crisp, latest, truly valued, and hot in the market. Pertaining to all of the above parameters, we have created this comprehensive, done-for-you video training product on a hot niche that will grab the attention of your audience. LinkedIn Training Kit. LinkedIn is one of the most powerful social media platforms to build corporate networks and strengthen the professional connections. And 80% of social media leads for B2B marketers come from LinkedIn. Plus, it has a considerable amount of business focus and has an audience worth paying attention to. Not only this, also, more than 40% of surveyors have rooted for LinkedIn as the most effective channel for driving high-quality leads. For this reason, it is clear that a comprehensive video training program on this evergreen topic can be a cash cow for all the struggling businesses in terms of revenue and ROI. Moreover, without a shadow of doubt, selling private label rights to HQ training programs is the ultimate and tested strategies to consistently generate high incomes. Now, this is the secret: top marketers are earning a living online by selling digital training programs. But successful marketers are making a fortune online by selling digital training courses with exclusive private label rights. That means, to be a success online, you just don't need to sell a training course that your customer can purchase and gain insightful information. But you need to provide them an extensive private label rights license so that they can also set up an additional income stream for their business by claiming full authorship of the product, edit the contents, and sell it further for pure profits. But wait, this drives a new problem. To offer PLR, you first need to create a high-end, valuable product that understands the need of your target audience and lures them. And product creation is not a piece of cake for everyone. In fact, it is a hard nut to crack because it involves extensive market research, quality product creation, drafting a groundbreaking sales page, creating HQ professional graphics, sales page creation, developing and building products, making it download ready. But fortunately, we are offering a time-sensitive opportunity to get unrestricted PLR to a top-notch product that needs no hassle at your end and will shoot up your bank accounts to thousands of dollars in profits. All you have to do is: Step 1, download our ready for market product. Step 2, slap your name on it. Step 3, upload it to your server. Step 4, be ready to count endless profits by recurring sales. In a nutshell, your laborious work comes down to just 4 steps before you move a step closer to being a millionaire. Introducing LinkedIn Training Kit with unrestricted PLR. Unlock the potential of LinkedIn to accelerate engagement and earn ceaseless profits. This HD video training course can be your game changer in the world of online business. But before you make a move, let's quickly take a sneak peek into the contents of this package. Module 1, 10 step-by-step training videos. Module 2, professionally written training guide. Module 3, chapter images. Module 4, video raw files. Module 5, audio files. Module 6, video voice-over script. Module 7, 10 unique articles bundled into one. Module 8, cheat sheet. Module 9, mind map. Module 10, top resource report. In addition, we are providing the required resellers module to help you jump on the bandwagon. Module 11, high converting sales copy. Module 12, customer sales video. Module 13, professional graphics. Module 14, animated banners. Module 15, professionally written email swipes. Module 16, professional mini sites. Module 17, legal pages. We have taken care of all you need to do with your LinkedIn strategy. Now, all you need to do is simply use these tools and tips before your competitors do that. And the best part is that you get to keep 100% of the profits. So, if you are serious about your business, you will immediately clasp this opportunity. And is available at a dirt cheap price, which will let you relax and witness boatload of cash floating into your bank account with. No product creation, no outsourcing headaches, no marketing experience needed. Everything is cooked and ready on your plate, and that too at an amazingly low price. Hurry up and act now, before you beat the dust of your competitors. Take action now.